so creamy and buttery and oh, so shiny. That was totally off topic. I'm so happy for him. I wish I could jump out of airplanes by myself. What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders, and this is my channel. We talk about makeup, skincare, sometimes I cook, and I almost always drop something. If you're interested in any of those things, make sure you stick around, give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. All right, we're gonna get right into it. So I'm doing an eyeshadow look today. We're just kind of playing with makeup. I've already done my face. I primed using this bad boy right here. I've been using this a lot lately and I do enjoy it. It's just a nice priming essence. That's all I used because I then went in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation, which is not in front of me because I did it in the other room. So I used that and then I set my face using my Smashbox palette. So we're going to get into the rest of it. I also did my eyebrows using my Scone Cosmetics brow pencil in the shade Peanut Butter. Let me know what you think on camera. Do they match or are they, is it a little red tone for me? I'm not sure. I'm having a hard time because on camera they look a little bit better than they do in real life. Bronze my face. I haven't done that yet. I'm using my Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer. I don't know what shade it is because I lost the lid because I'm weird. I'm using my Alamar brush. We're just gonna bronze. I really find that if I just sit down and do my makeup every day that I'm just a lot happier, and I use my collection, which is really good for me considering I am doing some project pans and I find I'm holding myself more accountable. What do you guys think about my chatty get ready with me's that I have been doing lately? Would you rather see me like talk about like a topic? Are there any topics you guys want to hear me talk about? I was thinking I could do like, I don't know, like maybe movies. I'm having a really hard time because I know I want to sit down and do my makeup every single day. Like I'm like, ooh, I could film my makeup today. But then I also don't want to just talk about nothing, if that makes sense. Oh, I love this brush from Alamar. I just love it. And I love the way that it just makes every single bronzer that I use look friggin' fantastic. I like this bronzer. I'm glad I grabbed it. All right, let's go in with some blush. This makes me so happy because I hit pan. Can you see it? Can you see that little tiny spot? Oh my God. This is my e.l.f. blush in Twinkle Pink. I have had this for what feels like my whole life. Like my whole life. Not really. I've had it for a while though. It is just such a nice pink. Like it has a little bit of a sheen to it. It's a very, very nice blush. So we're just gonna tap that onto our cheeks. It's so pretty. I love it. I love blush. The more, you know what, the older I get, the more I find I really enjoy blush. What is it? I don't know. I just really like this blush. Now I do have a highlight that I've never used on my channel before, and it is this one. It is the Daisy Plus Pearl Natural Radiant Booster from Seraphine Botanicals. That's it right there. I've never tried this before. It is a very stiff feeling highlighter. Like not a lot comes off. However, a swatch is different than a brush. So we're going in with an actual highlighting brush, which is this one from Luxie. And we're gonna just take that and see what we think. We're just gonna go for it. It has a mirror too. I love when things like this have a mirror. Oh, okay. Well, that's not bad. Can you see that? In my mirror, I can definitely see. Let's build. Let's see how much we can build this. Not going anywhere today. Pat is skydiving again. He's always going to be skydiving. I feel like that's something I might talk about a lot, is that he skydives now. Like he's already licensed. He passed his solo. He's now doing his coached jumps. I'm really proud of him. Like really, really proud of him. He's doing something that he loves and not necessarily something very traditional either, which I think good for you. I'm so happy for him. I wish I could jump out of airplanes by myself. It was so cool, but seriously, I don't think I could do it by myself. Wish I could. But I'm pretty sure I'd be like the person that like jumps out of the airplane and like freaks out mid-flight. That's what you don't want in a skydiver. or so I'm told. Okay, so this is a really friggin' pretty highlight. It's building way more than I thought it would. I'm gonna keep using this. I'm really glad I picked this for today's video because it's been sitting there for a while and I am very much decluttering everything I don't use. If I don't use it, it's gone. I don't have enough space. That is the other thing. And I am a hoarder by definition, like for real. I just need to throw my stuff out that I don't use, or I need to give it to somebody that will use it, or I need to sell it. But I really do, when I'm finished filming this, I've got like piles of decluttered stuff here because I refuse to keep stuff that I don't use. Plain and simple. That was totally off topic. Okay, so I am highlighted, I am bronzed, I am blushed. Now we're gonna eyeshadow. So I'm really excited for eyeshadow today because I'm using one of my favorite palettes. This is the BH Cosmetics Summer in St. Tropez. I just kind of felt like, I was like, you know what? I kind of want to do maybe a little bit of the yellow. Oh no. You know what? I might even do a neutral look with this. Oh no, you can't do a neutral look with this, Amanda. What is wrong with me? Why can't I decide what I want to do? Do I want to do purple? Should I do pink? I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do my eyeshadow and I'm not going to talk through this process because when I talk through the process, I can't edit properly. Just not going to do it. I just really like how these eyeshadows blend out and I don't want anything too crazy right now. So I'm just kind of keeping it a little bit light. I don't have anything really exciting happening today. So I'm actually going to make it even more neutral than I thought I was. I'm going to go with the other shade that I didn't say I wanted, which is Marina. And I'm just going to put this all over the lid. There's something about their shimmers that I just can't get past. They're just so friggin' nice. They're just so creamy and buttery and oh, so shiny. That's really nice. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to put it all over the lid. I love this palette. I always forget about how much I love this palette until I'm using it. Okay. And then I am just going to take the shade Super Yacht and just kind of, just a little teeny tiny bit on the outer V. Just a little bit. I'm just using my finger to blend because I'm really lazy right now. What do you guys think? So I can't find the eyeliner that I want to use, so I'm going to use this one. This one's by CHIT London. This is the Fierce Flicks one. Got this in an Ipsy, and I like it. It's actually a very nice, gentle eyeliner to use. Not too crazy. That is a very easy eyeliner to use. I really do like that. And we're going to finish the look off, or we're going to finish the eyes off using my Laura Mercier. This is my Lash Caviar mascara, and I really like this stuff. It is very dreamy on the eyes and it doesn't smudge. Do you see like the length that that gives and the volume? I like the brush too. The bristles are very big. They're kind of spirally. Kind of reminds me of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara wand, except it's a little bit different. This one's better. This one's bigger. All right. And now I'm just gonna do one last thing to my eyes. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm just gonna take a little teeny tiny bit of the shade Nightlife, and I'm just gonna take that under my lower lash line, just a little bit. Okay, it's not gonna be too crazy. Yeah, it's not too bad. All right, now I'm gonna bring you in real close now. I'm gonna show you how everything looks. So nothing too crazy, just a really nice soft pink eyeshadow look. That's what I love the most. Put the camera down before you start talking. That is what I love the most about this palette, is there is enough pans in different colors, so you can do like a yellow look, you can do a pink and purple look, you can do a blue look, there's a little bit of a red here, and you have enough shimmers that just make it okay to make so many different looks. I've used this eyeshadow palette so many times that honestly I think it'll be the one that I hit pan on that is in my colorful collection, and it's just one of my favorites, so I really do like using this. I'm going to use my Essence lip liner. This is in the shade Under My Skin. Essence Barely There. This is in the shade 06. This is like my most used lipstick of my entire life. And it's still a favorite every single freaking time I put it on. Every time. Now I'm like, oh, Amanda, wear this lipstick all the time. I just love it. I just love the way that this lipstick looks. The shade of this lipstick, actually, because I have so many different lipsticks that are all that shade. I do think that the Essence one is by far my favorite. We're going to put a little bit of gloss on it. We're going to put this Honey Sheen gloss from Pixie. It's a very it's supposed to be plumping, I think. It has like peppermint in it. It's going to be tingly. That feels really nice, actually. And that is today's look. So tell me in the comments below, what do you guys think of today's look? What did you think about today's makeup? And are any of these products favorites of yours? Do you hate any of them? Do you love any of them? And are you new here? If you're new here, please let me know in the comments down below. If you are a creator, please let me know. I love to find new channels. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed today's look. I am very pleased with it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. I am going to bronze my face. I just wanted to pop on real quick. See? Ah! How did that happen? I always used to joke about how I have a rosy undertone. I'm going to stop. Just cut all this shit out.